Hello and welcome back to Coding Pawns, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks to help you succeed in your online journey. Today, we're going to be talking about how to earn money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Topic number 1. Understanding the online landscape. Before we dive into ways to earn money online, it's important to understand the online landscape. The internet is filled with opportunities, but also with scams and schemes that promise easy money. It's important to do your research and be cautious when exploring online earning options. Topic number 2. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is through freelancing. Freelancing is a form of self-employment where you offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. There are many websites and platforms out there that connect freelancers with clients. Some of the most popular ones include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Topic number 3. Online surveys and market research. Another way to earn money online is by participating in online surveys and market research. Many companies and research firms are willing to pay people to complete surveys and provide feedback on products and services. Some of the most popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Topic number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn money online. It involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique referral link. Many companies offer affiliate programs, including Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank. Topic number 5. Online teaching and tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by teaching and tutoring online. Many websites and platforms connect students with tutors and teachers. Some of the most popular ones include VIPKid, Teachable, and Udemy. Topic number 6. Conclusion and final thoughts. So, there you have it, guys. Our ultimate guide on how to earn money online. Remember to do your research, be cautious when exploring opportunities, and focus on developing skills that are in demand. With the right mindset and approach, you can earn a sustainable income online. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to succeed in your online journey. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.